new space for engagement. One that not only connects our local community, but also allows us to share the vibrancy, creativity, and richness of the Filipino culture with the rest of the world.
Dear humans of planet Earth, let's transcend the sense of separation and be the pioneers of a united planet.
This portal now stands as part of a global artwork that invites us to meet fellow humans beyond borders. Welcome to the portal. The BGC Portal places BGC and the Philippines at the heart of a growing global network dedicated to human connection beyond borders. We thank everyone for joining us this evening as we open a new space for shared experience, dialogue, and discovery right here in Taguig City. To formally welcome this milestone, we call on the Chief Operating Officer of Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation, Mr. Enrique B. Manuel Jr.
Good evening, everyone. Please allow me to begin by warmly welcoming Benediktas and the Portal's team to the Philippines. Welcome, Benediktas. Mabuhay. Tonight, Bonifacio Global City, together with the city of Taguig, unveils a truly world-class immersive experience. One that is not only a first in the Philippines, but a first in Asia. As the country's premier business and lifestyle district, BGC has long been recognized as a dynamic cultural hub, defined by creativity, strong infrastructure, and a forward-looking spirit. It is this energy that makes BGC the ideal home for initiatives that connect us more meaningfully with the world. We are proud to have partnered with the Portal's organization to bring this much-anticipated fusion of art and technology to our city. Something we can now proudly call our own, the BGC Portal. And we are excited to finally share this experience with all of you. At BGC, we draw inspiration from experiences that bring people together, celebrating culture, diversity, and the connections that unite us. Through the BGC Portal, we hope to create a new space for engagement. One that not only connects our local community, but also allows us to share the vibrancy, creativity, and richness of the Filipino culture with the rest of the world. Finally, please allow me to personally thank our partners, our stakeholders, and everyone, all of you here tonight for your continued support of BGC. It is because of you that initiatives like this are possible. Please enjoy the evening, everyone. Cheers.
Thank you, Mr. Manuel. From the organization behind this phenomenal global artwork, Benediktas Gylys is the founder of Portal's organization, the international team behind the global network of Portal Sculptures. A Lithuanian entrepreneur and philanthropist, he envisioned Portals over 10 years ago, which has since grown, together with cities and partners worldwide, into a global artwork connecting people across cultures. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Mr. Benediktas Gylys.
Dear humans of planet Earth, tonight I feel blessed, grateful, and honored to be here in one of the great capitals of our world and to open this first portal in Asia together with you. This is a bridge to a united planet. It is an invitation to rise above all disagreements, all labels, and all borders. This is your bridge to a united planet. This is your portal. It belongs to you. Dear humans of planet Earth, let's transcend the sense of separation and be the pioneers of a united planet. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Gylys. Ladies and gentlemen, we now invite everyone to turn their attention to the portal sculpture as we begin the final countdown. In just a few moments, Bonifacio Global City will officially open Asia's first portal, connecting Philippines to the world live in real time. To meet fellow humans beyond borders. Welcome to the portal. To the world, welcome to BGC. Thank you very much, FBC team. May we now call on the team from Portal's organization. You will be joined by Portal's partners, Ms. Samantha Balvin and Mr. Esteban Robles. May we call on our partners and sponsors who made the BGC Portals possible. Mr. Bernie Lim, COO of United Neon. Ms. Mary Grace Lam, President of Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated. Mr. Danny Pacera, Senior Advisor of Global Urban Business. Ms. Owen de la Cruz and Ms. Jeannie Higa, Design Directors from Habitus Design and CNC Contract Manufacturing Private Limited. Mr. Melquiades Alexis A. Castillo, Senior Vice President of XL Contractors and Developers Incorporated. And Ms. Jillian Gachego Delada, Vice President of Major Categories Head, Union Bank. again, we invite our partners and sponsors, Mr. Bernie Lim, COO of United Neon, Ms. Mary Grace Lam, President of Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated, Mr. Danny Becerra, Senior Advisor of Globe Broadband Business, Ms. Owen de la Cruz and Ms. Jeannie Nina, Design Directors from Habitus Design and CMC Contract Manufacturing Private Limited, Mr. Melquiades Alexis A. Castillo, Senior Vice President of Excel Contractors and Developers Incorporated, and Ms. Jillian Gachego Cantada, the Vice President of Major Categories Head of Union Bank. Thank you very much to our partners and sponsors. As we conclude the program, we extend once again our deepest gratitude to everyone. The BGC Portal was made possible with the generous support of our partners. Euro-Asia Marble and Granite Incorporated, Excel Contractors and Developers Incorporated, Habitus Design Group, United Neon, Union Bank, and Globe Telecom, which powers the BGC Portal with its Globe at Home connectivity. Thank you as well to the Portal's organization, the City Government of Taguig, and the Fort Bonifacio Development Corporation for bringing this global artwork to life in the heart of BGC. Thank you to our friends from the media for coming. Once again, welcome to the BGC Portal, and welcome to a shared global experience.
lang.